What's going on, guys? Decelation and Brian.
What's going on, peeps?
And today we are still on the shop. So
Well, we have an empty bin
we have an empty bin.
that needs to get full.
Yeah, because I met a cool guy that he wanted all the scrap metal, and we didn't want to move it. So it worked out, didn't it, there, Brian?
It did. we're gonna save up and scrap the big heavy stuff that actually will make some money, and he could take all the stuff that we don't want to load into Gary's truck and drive to the scrapyard.
This is true. This is true. So we're gonna get back to work.
Yay.
Yay. Welcome back, guys. Brian?
Going on, peeps?
So, what did we do?
Well, we moved a bunch of stuff. We threw out a whole bunch of stuff. Our buddy came and picked up a whole load of crap.
Yeah.
He's doing whatever he does with it. It's not here anymore.
Look at
So
that.
now we just have piles of garbage that need to go out and some stuff we need to organize. Hopefully the electrician guy comes and takes the electrician stuff.
Yep.
And if not, it's all going in the back of Gary's truck and it's going in the scrapyard.
Pretty much.
I'm done with it.
Me too.
But we're getting there. We almost have space for 2 vehicles in said shop.
Yeah.
So one of these days, you might actually get to see us working on a car again.
Whoa now. You, sir, are going a little outside the scope here.
Up the quick jacks. Show 'em
Oh, yeah. Let's see. Show you guys the quick jacks. So, right here. Shout out to Quick Jacks and their little hangers. These things are actually kind of nice. Keeps the Quick Jacks nice out of the way, not taking up any space whatsoever. I am a fan. No, I'm not sponsored by Quick Jacks. I'm just happy about it. All right.
It's one less thing to trip over. We got rid of Chip and Dale.
That
Now
we
we got
did.
the quick jacks out of the way. And we'll start moving some of these
Lifts.
fractions out of the way.
Once we get your engine on the engine stand, and that way we can do the Brian build series.
Brian Billeters.
Yep.
Well, really, it's just going to be Brian to take the pieces apart and take the engine to a machine shop.
Yeah, we're also going to kill a fly or a mosquito, but no, we're also going to assemble it again. Like, machine shop's going to do the machine work, but
Yeah.
you actually want to follow the piston rings, check
Yeah,
bearing
we're
gap.
going to do everything. So
See,
mainly because I don't have all the parts for it yet. So
yeah, that's
the
gonna be cool.
block will get redone and left in a bag with some Earl in it.
Yep.
Then as I get parts, we're going to put it together.
Check out what we did with here. So all my gas cans are on one side, rope and ratchet straps and bungees, and concrete stuff, and first aid. So if we ever say we forgot where first aid is, let us know. First aid right there.
That's another thing that needs to get gone through because there's some stuff in there that's old enough to drink now
Yeah.
that probably need to get rid of.
Yeah, I'm pretty stoked though. The shop is really, what do you say, one more weekend before we can unload the trailer?
Yeah, I think next weekend because that will
We'll pull,
that stuff's all getting cleared out.
yeah, all those
this
motors
week.
and stuff. So
Like I said, if he doesn't come to get that stuff, I think we should just load up all the rest of the big electrical shit that he's not going to grab
yep,
and take it all to the
scrapyard,
scrapyard all at the same time.
and call it a day.
Then we can finish moving some shelves around and get to work. Piling
Yeah.
up more stuff in here that we have to put away.
That stuff should be easy. We kind of have a space for it already.
That's true. We do have shelves available.
Shelves available and kind of like a light stuff. It's like, all right, oils right there. You know, we kind of have to clear off the top of those shelves because that's going to take up some space too. But yes, we have the space and idea for where that stuff's going to go. But yeah, I'm pretty happy. Brian, you happy?
I am happy. Happy we're about ready to put the parking brake on the car.
We're going to do more than just the parking brake, Brian. We gotta,
That's the vital part because you painted all the parts and they're just hanging out over there.
yeah, he is right. I did paint all the parts. Right there, just waiting. See? Yep. So, yeah, it's gonna happen. But thank you guys. I appreciate you guys for watching these type of videos. Brian?
Hey, I know this is getting boring. Believe me, it's not any more exciting doing it, but it'll be worth it in the end. So
That is very true.
one day here in the not too distant future, we shall be working on a vehicle again.
I don't believe it.
even if it's fixing one of Gary's broken zero turns.
Hey, we're not bringing those up right now. Hey, yeah, I've got 2 broken zero turns now. See you guys next week. Have a good one. Peace.